A loan officer reached out the other day and had a conversation with me and wanted to have rate sheets and product guides. You don't need any of that. Could that be possible? Do you not really need rate sheets? It is possible, everybody, because when you log into the Figure Lead portal and use the inquiry tool, within minutes, you'll be able to find out what, if any, offers are available to the clients. And here's what's amazing. What do you need to do the inquiry? You need a borrower's legal name. You need their property address of the subject property. You need their birth date, their email, and you have to have a rough idea of their annual income. That's it. So what do you get as a result? Within minutes, you will have a soft credit pull. Keep in mind, I said soft credit pull here, giving you the FICO score, one bureau only. And as well, you'll have an AVM. I promise you, that is much faster than getting rate sheets, calling an account rep, working through a loan scenario, submitting a loan to another lender. Use the Lead Portal inquiry tool. It is really that simple.